What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I am a full-time options as well as prop firm futures trader, helping you develop a trading plan, helping you understand the mindset and psychology, helping you build out your trading strategy, right? So again, if you guys want to join the team at Evolution Traders, we trade live every single day. Voice chat with levels, screen share, so forth and so forth, link down in the description. But what I want to show you guys is why you need to be patient when it comes to options trading, and also why you need to have room in the trade. So this trade I was calling out on the video all morning since the open. I was looking at it two-sided. I was looking at a two-sided trade here, whether it was long if the market wanted to push higher, or a potential short. So that long that I was looking for was over 471.10. That was the opening range, which is the first 30-minute 1 hour candle that closed at the top of the range. And if you can see above, we had room, right? So if we were to confirm on this candle to the high side, we had room to 473.87, and then all the way up to yesterday's highs of 476. So I kept trying to really stress and really emphasize, guys, we need to wait for these levels to get confirmed. I'm just going to sit, however long it takes. As we started to pull down, we started to trickle down a little bit here. We came into this rising 50-day support on the 1 hour time frame. We also had the pre-market lows at 463.41. This level I marked out as well. As soon as the market opened, I wanted to know, where is our pre-market lows? Let me mark this level out. And if we break that, what is the next macro level on a 1 hour time frame of demand? Like, meaning if we break the pre-market lows, potentially where could we be heading? And then two, I'm going to ask myself the question as to where I could potentially take the trade, right? So that's the main thing that we want to look for, is where could we potentially take the trade. And again, when you take these trades, you want to make sure that you're going to either hold to full potential or stop out. So I took this trade through 463.41 on stream. And again, what I was looking for was a 461, 460 kind of flush. Why? If I go back all the way here to Wednesday's low price, you can see Wednesday's low wick here as well as the pre-market. We tagged this area a couple of times before the bounce. So I was just looking to drag profits into this area, and I took profits. So it was a fantastic trade. Didn't hold any runners because it's Friday. I didn't want to give back any profits. I didn't want the market to do anything crazy on me. However, you can see the potential that once we got down into the linear regression here at the 9 a.m. candle, we had a little bit of support down here at 457. This 458, 457 was next potential. So from the 463 breakdown, our potential was 460, 461, and then below that was 458. Now, once we broke below this linear regression and we started to confirm, things started to get very aggressive, and this is actually traded all the way down to 454. So if you look at it, this is almost a 9-point move. I would not be surprised if there's someone out there who caught this entire move and made an absolute bag. But again, look how long this trade took to set up. Almost 2.5 hours after the market opened. Again, was I sitting there taking every play long, every play short? No, go back and listen to my live stream this morning. It's posted on YouTube, but I was sitting there and I was waiting for specific levels. So a lot of times as a day trader, just because the market is open doesn't mean we need to start trading. You need to let these trade setups happen, and you need to let them actually develop, right? So once you let them develop, if they fail you at that point in time, then that's just the game. But if we're just taking shorts because it's red, and we're just taking longs because the market is pushing up on a 5-minute candle green, and you really have no sense of direction, and the market hasn't really lost any significant higher time frame levels, then ask yourself the question, what are you doing? Because all you had to have done today was sit on the 463.41 level. I don't know how many times I could have said it. I don't know how many times we could have looked at it. Yes, once it broke, it did put in a little bit of a back test. However, it looked fantastic on the 1 hour time frame. So all you would have needed to do was essentially hold it until it got over the 5-day moving average on a 1 hour time frame, or hold it until you're profitable and you can sell those profits. So again, I just want to kind of make this video just to kind of outline this setup for you guys, Because again, did we know that the market was going to pull today? Maybe some of us had an idea. How did we know that the market wasn't going to push higher, right? All we know is we need to sit on our levels, sit on our hands, and be ready to attack when the market provides that opportunity. So again, the moral of this video and the moral of this story is make sure when you come in to start the day, you have a plan. You have levels that are marked out. You have patience on your side. You have time on your side. Make sure that you sit and wait for these bigger levels to confirm. Patience pays, my friends. Again, it's those of you guys who are trying to rush and take every trade off the bell who are getting absolutely destroyed, especially on a week like this week. So again, just wanted to make this quick little video. If you want to join, you want to get access to the courses, one-on-one live webinars, you want to get access to the community, you want to get access to chat with some of the other boys while we're trading live so you can kind of, bounce your ideas off of. If you want access to the one-on-one mentorship and everything else that comes included, make sure to join the link down in the description box below. I only have 2 spots left to join. Again, I'll see all of you guys on the inside who decide to join. The rest of you guys, I wish you the best of luck. Let's continue to try to make some money, and I'll be back on YouTube next week.